In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background music on CapCut PC quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick if your video has unwanted music, noisy audio, or a separate soundtrack you no longer want in your edit. Whether you're cleaning up a project, replacing music, or just want a quieter final cut, this method will save you time and keep your workflow simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, make sure the video is added to the timeline so you can work with the audio inside it. If you haven't already placed the clip in the timeline, drag it in now. Next, right-click on the video clip in the timeline. From the menu that appears, select Extract Audio. This tells CapCut to separate the sound from the video so you can edit it independently. After that, you'll see the extracted audio track appear in the timeline below the video. Click on that audio track to select it. Once it's highlighted, simply press Delete on your keyboard and the background music or audio will be removed from the clip. If the music in your project is already on a separate audio track, you can skip the extraction step. Just click the audio track directly and press Delete to remove it instantly. This is the fastest way to clean up your timeline when the soundtrack is already separated from the video. After deleting the audio, play back your timeline to make sure the background music is gone and your video sounds the way you want it to. If needed, you can always add a new voiceover, sound effect, or music track later to replace it. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove background music on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.